Hello guys, so today I'll be teaching you guys how to make hand sanitizer. Due to the recent COVID-19 pandemic, there's a recent shortage of hand sanitizer or overpriced hand sanitizer. So today I'm going to show you a very efficient way to make hand sanitizer. So first is my ingredients. The alcohol, 99%, and aloe vera gel. And the materials I need is a container to hold my hand sanitizer, a mixing bowl, a pan, a post-it, and a tablespoon. Okay, let's start first. So first, I'm gonna get the alcohol out. Ooh, shit right there. So the measurement for this hand sanitizer thing is it's a ratio between the alcohol and the soothing gel, the aloe vera gel. The ratio is about 2:1. So for example, if I put 9 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, I need to put 4.5 tablespoons of aloe vera soothing gel. Let's accelerate this. And a 9. Okay, so 9 tablespoons. So next I'm gonna get my aloe vera. So this I will need about 4.5 tablespoons. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one will need to be 4.5, but this one I just estimate. Let's go like this. Then now we need to mix the alcohol and the aloe vera together. Mix it well. You can add essential oils into the solution to make the hand sanitizer smell good, but I'm just showing the most efficient and fastest way to do the hand sanitizer, so there will be no essential oil here. Okay, so the next thing is I need to put the solution into this container. You also can use a funnel for this if you don't have this kind of cap the container, shake well. And not to misrecognize the hand sanitizer, I'm going to put the post-it around the container. And I'm going to label the hand sanitizer as, I'm going to write it down as hand sanitizer. I already put the label as hand sanitizer. Then let's try this out. It works perfectly well. Thank you for watching.